In this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable read status on your TikTok account. So if people can't know when you have read their direct messages and you wish them to know, then you need to go ahead and enable this feature. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, to do this, go ahead and open your TikTok account and then go to profile. From profile, tap on these three lines and under this, choose settings and privacy. Under this, go to account and under account, you should see privacy. If you tap on privacy, now head to interactions and under it, you should see direct messages. If you tap on it, you can see read status is turned on, which means people cannot see when you have read their messages. So to enable them know that you have read their messages, then go ahead and tap on this. And by enabling it or toggling it on, now whenever you read their messages, they'll be able to know that you have read their messages. So that's how you can turn on read status on your TikTok account. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.